Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And firstly, let's get use developer options to check what codec we use right now and what codecs available for us. So if you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, you can check video at this channel. We have it just for your device. Once you enable developer options, go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the system, and in the system we have developer options. Enter here, and now you have two options. You or scroll down and you need to find Bluetooth audio codec. So right here we have it. You need to find this line, or you can use a search and you write codec. And right here we have Bluetooth audio codec, but you see it only if you enable developer options. Without it, you have no options to enter here. So click at this line. If you cannot tap at the Bluetooth audio codecs, just enable HD audio. As you can see, I disable it and I have no options to click on it, check it or change. So we need to enable it. And right now we have AC and SBC. But this earbud support DAC. Why we having it here? Because we need to enable DAC. By default it enabled, but maybe you disable it or you bought used earbuds. So open QCY app and you should add your earbuds to the application. Your headphones should be connected with the app also, and you will see this headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the right top, and then you need to find LDAC switch line and make sure that it's enabled. So click on it. Now these headphones should restart, so give a second to them. Okay, we have connection. Let's return to the developer options. Okay, so right now, as you can see, we have LDAC. So it should be already in use, but as you can see right now I use AC. So you can click at the LDAC, and now we enable DAC. To disable it, you should or switch to AC or SBC by just tap on it, or you can just disable HD audio. You will use now SBC codec. And the third option, let's say we use codec, is to return to the application and just disable DAC switch. And now again we have LDAC. Also, to use LDAC, your phone should support this codec. And also, you cannot use LDAC if you have iPhone, because Apple devices doesn't support high-resolution audio codecs like LDAC, IPTX, LC3 or LHDC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.